hello everyone. I am Ark Prodigy. And this is my new channel. We are playing Rivals. This is our best knife player for RC Shadow. He is one of the best knife players, as you can see. Even if I go into his profile, he has 565 wins with the knife only. Now we have our second best player, for RC King Knife. Now, he's actually lagging right now, so he can't come. By the way, we have our best RPG player, for RC Felix. He is very good at the RPG, like he's the best spammer. And here he comes for RC King Knight. He's the second best knight player, and now the best sniper player. Here he is. This is not his account. He's on his alt. So don't hate on us. We're pretty good, but we'll try to win some games. So now I'll invite everyone into a party. Then we'll play. Okay. So I joined Shadow's party. How many people can play? Yeah, we use 5v5s. So how about that? That's pretty good, right? Now I will dance. Look at my dance. So now, join everybody join this party. Now we are going to play 5v5s. It's going to be very fun. This is okay. Ignore my friends. They're making sounds. Look, they're making sounds again. Now, half of them sound like a gorilla.
Nah, why not telling the whole species actual talk in group? Nah, bro. Let's play, guys. Talking.
Lock-in time. Now, why this guy gave me a friend request? He could be hacking. Oh my god. The team doesn't have enough players. It's okay. Now I will do nice only with my friends. Yeah. And I forgot to tell me I am the best default loadout player in the clan. It's so guy. It's going to be very fun. We're going to beat the other team. Oh my god, no way. So I saw all of you my skins. So I have the Event Horizon Burst Rifle skin and even the Assault Rifle and RPG. I mainly prefer the Assault Rifle as it has more movement speed. I have the handgun skin, the fist skin. I have the karambit for the knife, and I have the flashbang, the light bulb. My friend over here, what's his name? For Arc Shadow, like 4RC stands for Arc. He has he has he has a lot of them. He even has and a lot of bundles. Like it's just insane.
Quite long time for RPG, and let me tell you all of this when I turn off. I have quite launcher for the RPG with bubble wrap, and I also have the skin for daggers, flare gun, handgun, shorty, Uzi, and exo gun. Yeah, guys, you have heard right that I have the exo gun. I bought the bundle. Back I took it to the bag of money and think about medkit and a smoke grenade stick.
It's Shadow, can you please start the match?
But then I
Nah, no way, bro said that. You know my parents is not good.
don't count weapons.
No Japanese. Yeah. Okay, lock it time. Today we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance.
No, don't make it friend for everyone, bro.
Just guess if you're not. They can't even hear her voice. No. I think they can hear us. They can. No, they can hear us. They can hear us. Oh, they can hear us. They can hear us. It's not a big thing. They can hear us. Yeah, they can hear us. They can hear us.
I know
I
that.
can even show my face, but I don't wanna. Nah, for real, for real. If there's not, okay, I will actually raise weight if there's not enough players. Okay, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's a 5v5. Let's go.
Don't do it.
It's going to be very fun. Why are you choosing the shooting range? Don't choose it. Oh my god. Oh my god. No way you choose the freaking shooting range. Nah, why did you choose that?
For the views.
It's going to be so hard. But we'll compromise. Everyone can compromise. Nah, there are RPG spammers, but our teammate is better. He's a better RPG spammer. If they spam, he gonna spam. Now no way Slayer no way King Knife already died. I think that guy is hacking. Oh my god! Two all are left. Lock in shadow. We can beat them. They're weak. Nah, what's that aim? You can use knife because it's pretty good at the knife. You have gold. Even what's his name? I forgot his name. King Knife also has gold on his knife. We have more players in our clan, but they're not in the video and they're not on screen. No way. Let's go W. Nah. Let me write in chat W. No way. W Felix. Nah, no way that's happening. No, when they come close to you, then shoot. Not right now. Now, oh my god. It's okay. We have to clutch. You know what? Bet. You know what? We have to lock in time. Lock in time. Everybody use your stuff.
I'm angry now.
Everybody is angry now. Yeah. Be angry. You know what? Bet. I'ma cook this guy. Okay, my aim is a little bad. But I can lock in sometimes. Did all of you know when I lock in, I lock in? Delete it.
Obviously, everyone drops it when they knock it.
I actually. So are you using Shadow? Are you using the medkit? No way, it's a 2v5. No way, it's a 2v5.
I'm looking like the left down, bro.
You got to lock in. You know what? Yes. Shit, my aim! My aim is not aiming! Yeah. Wait. No, wait. No, you do not say that. You know what? They become a spammer, we become a spammer. If they spam, we also have to spam.
Bro, you wanna get to talk to bro?
You have to talk in.
Oh, yeah, the talk.
So we are going to not play after this because it's already a lot of time. Okay, Saturday. Okay, you can play, but the video will end. Okay. My mom just came to me and said it's you've been playing for too long. You know what? Let me come. Just 1 sec. I'm coming.
It's 1 sec or
No way we lost. I'm also spamming now. spam, we spam. Shorty freeze is the best. I know I don't use, I never use this loadout. I just use it when they're spamming and other things. When it's too hard to beat them, I do this. No way, he's sniping. No way, he's going to snipe. Right, Shield, you can do that in this update. Hello, kid. No way that kid. Not we go. Clocky time. I even have the RPG skill. Did you know this? No way, that girl. Actually, all of them are auto users. I mean, our friends are also playing mobile, my clan members, but they're not auto. That's the good thing. But the other team, they're fully auto. Like they're so auto. Nah, W kill Shadow.
Shadow.
Just guess. Like the phone is a little away from the screen, they can't hear you. It's a 1v1 W.
You can do this, Shadow.
No, he has a sniper. Go.
Yes, sniper.
No, that was so insane. W. No, W Shadow. No, how do I die every time? Okay, I am the leader, but I'm a little bad on PC. If I was mobile, I would cook everybody because in mobile I'm a little good. Just because of aim assist, I'm a little good. In PC, I'm also good, but only a little. Not
Nice.
W Felix. W Felix. It's a 1v1. Lock in. It's a 1v1. It's a 2v1. Not no W. No way you just did that. Stop lacking Felix. Nah, no way Felix fell down. Felix double jump. Felix double jump. No. If we lose this round, I'm gonna leave.
No, bro.
Okay, I'm just in this match. No, he fell out of the map. Please bow him or dagger him.
We have a life.
Stop trying to knife him. Like go close and bow him or something. There he is. Felix is already damaged him. He's like now he's at 100. He has 10 HP. Leave it. What? No way. How did they win? How did they win? Okay, it's a 5v4. If after this match it is what it is, then I'm going to leave. After this, nobody will record. Okay? How about that? No, you will not record. Who said you're gonna record? Go. Hello, little guy. Now you're dead. I just killed somebody with a small shotgun. Yeah, I forgot to tell you. I have the shotty skin. It's a flex. It's a very big flex. They're actually cooked. We have to lock in. Where are they? No way. Not die already. How is it so hard to kill him? I'm gonna die. I'm dead. We won. We're about to fight for them. What a comeback. It is just insane. Now, bro has the money. Bro has the money now. Hello, I just killed someone with a small gun. That is so weird. It is a small gun. It's basically a shotgun. Basically, guys, my oh nah, bro died. Bro, see, now why am I lagging? Why am I lagging? Guys, you can see I'm lagging. I'm lagging. I'm lagging so bad. I'm lagging. No way. Okay, I go. We won. Let's go. It's 3-4. We can actually win. I was lagging pretty bad. Pretty bad, not gonna lie. But still. No. Auto you guys. I will get you. No, no way. No way. No way. No way. God. That's so bad. That is so bad. Okay. I'm gonna lock in. I'm gonna lock in. Look. See. It's a 2v4. I have king knife. It's okay. King knife's pretty good. Shit. No, we dead. It's so bad. Okay, after this, I'm gonna leave. Okay, it's okay. Bye, everyone. No, you can't. You if you even if you record, send me the clips. Send me the clips. Okay. Bye. Recording. Tell everybody. Recording has ended. Yes. It was. Bye.
Bye.